Welcome back to the Mouse Diva channel, and it is time for another Coronado Springs update.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world, every city, every place.
There we have the new Gran Destino, I think is the way you say it. It is supposed to open in July, and I believe this is going to be the main entrance. It's really quiet out here right now. I guess all the construction guys have, well, guys and gals have went home for the evening. But let's see, we've got, oh, they're building all these new bridges. I think this restaurant's going to be called the Three Bridges, I think. Looks like they still have a lot of work to do on that. But let's go take a closer look at this mama bear. Here's the entrance to one of the bridges. I wonder if they're going to have anything like lighting for nighttime, or if this is just going to be like in the dark. I think it'd be cute if the bridge was lit up. Alright. Well, we're going to go inside. I've heard they've redone the Pepper Market, which I'm not looking forward to. I know I'm going to be disappointed. Oh, wow. They don't even call it the Pepper Market anymore. Oh, no. What is this? What is this? They took away all the festiveness of this quick service. Oh, I'm not a fan. I'm just not a fan. So it just kind of looks business-like. I mean, I know this is a convention center resort. Oh, but I really miss that festive guy in the... Oh, you can still see, if you look up closely, you can see the holes in the walls where the screws were that held this case with all the wood carvings in them. Oh, I loved those. Lakeland and I loved looking at those whenever we came here. Going to insert this. Sorry I have to do it this way. I can't find the original footage on my hard drive, but this is what it used to look like. I love this. I want this display. You know, Langley has one of these, are the ones, you know, they sell in the Mexico Pavilion. And they just put a little peg in the back. I know, I love these. And it's just, I love this whole display. Okay, we have a little smoothie of the day. You can get smoothies. Comment below if you like the old style or the new style. This used to be like a smoothie bar. Still really missing the festiveness of the old Pepper Market. A definite plus is the new hand sanitizers. Okay, well, they didn't change anything in Cafe Rick's. Doesn't look like. Actually, they did. There used to be some type of cooler or something right here, and now they have snack mix. That was not there. Whoa, these salads look really good. Oh, these pastries look really good. Those cupcakes. Oh my goodness, getting hungry. Alright, so lobby looks the same. However, this is another huge disappointment. Oh my gosh. Where the heck is Panchito? Like the big, huge, festive guy that used to be here. All the wood carvings are now like on a tiny table. This is dull. Dull. Oh, so they have him right here. A tiny little beige statue with some lighting. Why are they taking the festiveness out of everything? Disney Springs, the world of Disney especially. they're just taking the Disney out of everything. There's a lot more open space in here. That just means less products. I don't think I've ever seen the Evil Queen watch before. Like, I did a step back when I saw it. On the construction walls, they have the concept art for the restaurant out there in the middle. Oh, I do see, just looks like regular lighting up there. And let's see. Oh, now, this is not that restaurant. This is going to be the restaurant up there, I believe. Yeah, they're going to have a new signature dining restaurant.
All right, looks like they are actually taking reservations now. Let's see. Yeah. So, some dining plans. And this isn't a signature restaurant. This is only going to be one dining in. It's not 2-credit restaurant. Only 1 credit. So that's good. That is good. Now let's see. Oh, nope, it won't let me go. There we go. So they are starting reservations July 9th. Their opening day as of right now. I'm wondering, is it going to be painted white and gold? Or is it staying this color? Because this kind of sticks out. This looks more like Moroccan to me. Just with the white. It doesn't blend in as much with the rest of Coronado. But the way they have it now, that blends in. So maybe they're keeping it this color and not going to paint it white. How about a little close-up and some music? Is all they have before they open. Let's get an in shot. I hear like compressors or something working over there. Something like this would be nice. Hopefully they'll have at least string lighting over the bridge. It's been a couple years since I've been over here, but I really do not remember the like moss, grass, and like mud looking stuff on that pyramid. The vines were there. I don't remember the rest of that stuff. Pool hours 10 to 8. Let's go check out the playground, see if that got a facelift, because to me it looks like all the rock work is darker than it used to be. So let's go see what they've done. I'm gonna have to check back on, yeah, I just don't remember this at all. I'm gonna have to check back on my Coronado Springs resort tour that I did a few years ago. I'm pretty sure there was a sandbox, a huge sandbox, and there is not one here anymore. So this was from my first stay in August of 2015. There was a sandbox. Huge sandbox. Nice for little kids. Oh, that's adorable. A slide. Look how different the slide is now than what it used to look like. It comes out of the snake's mouth. That's cool. And check out what used to be outside. Oh yeah.
Get the other side of the restaurant. Wow, Coronado has a pretty good fitness center. They got a lot of machines and it looks really clean. Well, there you have it. The Mouse Diva is excited about these new additions, the restaurant and the resort, but disappointed in the remodel of the gift shop and the now extinct pepper market. Anyway, on a happier note, there's a whole bunch of other vlogs out there where I'm not disappointed. So check those out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I will see you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always